In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Canva template, save a Canva file, share Canva documents. Start by opening Canva and navigating to the design you want to work with. Make sure it's open in the editor so you can access all the controls we'll use. If you want to create a duplicate of your design within your own account, keep the design open and head to the File menu on desktop, or tap the More icon if you're on mobile. Choose Make a Copy. Canva instantly creates a full duplicate of your design. You'll find that new version in your projects folder, and it will typically include copy of in the title so you can tell it apart from the original. This is perfect for experimenting with changes or creating variants while keeping your original intact. Next, let's save or download your design to your device. With the design still open, click the Share button at the top right on desktop, or tap the Export icon on mobile. Select Download. Choose the file type that best fits your needs. PNG is great for crisp images with transparency support, JPG is a smaller file for web use, PDF print is ideal for high-quality printing, and MP4 or GIF works for videos and animations. After you choose the type, adjust any available settings such as size or quality. A larger size or higher quality will look better but may create a bigger file. When you're satisfied, click Download, and Canva will prepare the file and save it to your device. Finally, if you want others to use your layout as a template without altering your original, share it as a template link. With your design open in the editor, click Share in the top right. Select Template Link, then click Copy. When you share that link, anyone who opens it will see the option to use template. That means they'll get their own editable copy in their account, while your original remains unchanged. This is especially helpful for teams, clients, or classrooms, and it's a simple way to keep branding consistent across multiple projects. Just remember to only include assets you're allowed to share, such as your own images or elements covered by appropriate licenses. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.